ethical hacking and emerging cyber threats in 2025. AI-powered cyber attacks. AI's use in cyber attacks has given criminals a big edge. AI-powered malware and phishing schemes can adapt in real time. This makes them harder to detect. Attackers use AI to find network flaws, create deepfakes, and launch large-scale automated attacks. Supply chain attacks. Supply chain attacks continue to grow as a major concern in 2025. Cybercriminals target third-party vendors and suppliers to infiltrate larger organizations. These attacks exploit today's interconnected business ecosystems. Ransomware-as-a-service (RaaS). Ransomware has become more accessible to cybercriminals through the rise of ransomware-as-a-service platforms. These platforms provide ready-to-deploy ransomware kits, enabling even non-technical individuals to launch attacks. Quantum computing threats. Quantum computing poses a dual-edged sword for cybersecurity. While it promises revolutionary advancements, it also threatens traditional encryption methods. Cybercriminals are using quantum technology to crack encryption. The role of ethical hacking in combating cyber threats. Proactive threat identification. Ethical hackers use advanced tools to find flaws in networks, systems, and apps. Regular penetration tests help organizations stay ahead of cybercriminals. They mitigate risks before they escalate. AI-driven security testing. To counter AI-powered cyber attacks, ethical hackers use AI tools. They help detect and respond to threats. These tools analyze large datasets, identify anomalies, and simulate advanced attack scenarios. Securing the supply chain. Ethical hackers are vital for securing supply chains. They test the security of third-party vendors and partners. They assess the risk from external entities. Then, they prevent supply chain attacks. Ransomware prevention and response. Ethical hackers help organizations prepare for and respond to ransomware attacks. They simulate ransomware scenarios to test incident response plans and backups. Ethical hackers also help find and fix flaws that RaaS operators could exploit. Quantum-resistant security. As quantum computing threats loom, ethical hackers are testing quantum-resistant encryption. They work with organizations to implement post-quantum cryptography. It ensures data is safe from quantum-enabled attacks. In conclusion, the year 2025 presents a dynamic and challenging cybersecurity landscape. AI attacks, supply chain flaws, and quantum risks are new threats. They show we need strong defenses,